After a night of one of the heaviest confrontations between India and Pakistan in the aftermath of Operation Sindoor, I'm standing here in Lagama village in Uri, where the first manifestations of Pakistan's escalation last night, as announced by the Indian Army this morning, is fully apparent. This is a row of shops that has been completely decimated in a direct shelling strike. Probably the worst damage that we've seen so far in our travels around Uri. And this happened late in the night at about 3 a.m. Once again, nobody was inside, but we hear there have been some injuries. There's still smoke rising from the debris of what were once 3 shops. A familiar, ghastly image of where the shells are impacting here near the line of control in Uri sector. But the damage is actually much worse. And I want to show you where else shells actually may have landed. There are ambulances moving to and from this place because there are so many injured people who constantly need to be picked up and taken to the hospital in Baramulla and further in the depth areas. But if you follow me down here, there are signs of even more damage because it is clear that there was more than one shell that landed last night. This is right in the middle of Lagama town in Uri sector, completely abandoned. Nobody's here anymore after last night. The first night gave them a false sense of security, thinking that, maybe the shells were either flying over their heads or not quite reaching this spot. But this is how far Pakistan is shelling even civilian areas. These images from Lagama town are worrying because this would make Lagama the 8th or the 9th village that NDTV has encountered personally in terms of the damage that we've been seeing personally here. This here is now on the mountainside, built here, a row of houses under construction here. This is all that's left here. Please look at this, viewer. We will not be turning our cameras away from the suffering of the people who live in these areas who never get to leave. This is all that's left. The familiar motif of mangled metal sheets, corrugated sheets that people use as roofs, firewood, chopped pieces of furniture, and the only remnants here, livelihoods completely destroyed. These were once shops over which someone was supposed to have built a house, we are told, and this is all that's left, just splinters of wood and metal, which has become almost like a representative image of what's happening to village after village here in Uri. 3 shells, 2 locations at a span of about 50 feet, and this is the damage. 2 nights in a row, the heaviest possible shelling hitting Uri as well. How long more is it going to go on? Will there be an escalation? Will there be a de-escalation? We don't know just yet. But on NDTV, we will not be turning our gaze away from what the people here in the line of fire are suffering on a daily basis. With Ashwini Mehra in the Uri sector of the line of control, Shiv Arur, NDTV.